Welcome back. It is time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George.
Hello.
Okay, this looks like a dessert.
I know.
So how are we making a dessert healthy?
Okay, so I love to feature new products. I really enjoy finding new products, like what are their health benefits? And I've said this before, health looks very different person to person. So this recipe that we're going to do today is a little bit lower in carbohydrates, and this works really good for somebody who is diabetic, who is somebody who might be watching their carbohydrate intake. You know, everybody is very different. So this is a newer product, and this is called Egglife. And what these are these are actually wraps that are made with egg whites, and they're flavored.
Okay,
so,
this is the first I'm hearing of this.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is higher in protein, so 5 grams of protein. There's only 30 calories per wrap. And there's different flavors. So we brought in a sweet flavor, the cinnamon line, and I'm super excited to showcase how you can use it because I think it sounds weird.
It does sound weird, Katie. It does.
I know. I always say, just go with me here. Just hold on and go with me here.
Where are we going with
so
this?
the Egglife does have like an original as well as a Southwest version, which would work really good with some of the other wraps that we featured on here, but this is a cinnamon one. So here we go. So this is found in our health market, and you are going to find this in the refrigerated section. So the sweet cinnamon egg white wrap. So when you pull them out, they are going to be almost like a crepe. So they're pretty delicate, I would say, and they're pretty thin, but they're also durable. We have had some other egg white wraps that maybe didn't hold up so well. So this is a sweet treat, good protein, low carb. So we're gonna just put that right on our cookie sheet right here. From here, mascarpone espresso flavored cheese, and if you are not familiar with this, it's almost like a cream cheese that has a little bit of coffee to it. If you look right on the package, it says found in our deli at our cheese island. It says a creamy dessert cheese made with real coffee. So it's inspired by the dessert tiramisu.
Okay.
So that's what we're kind of going off of here. So we are going to take this. It is a soft, you can see it's a very soft spreadable cheese. So we're just going to take about a tablespoon of that and just take it right down the middle of our sweet cinnamon crepe here. So you're going to want to add a good layer to this. Again, different person to person, but if you want to add honey, you could absolutely add just a drizzle of honey down the middle. If you don't want to add honey, you don't have to. Again, person to person, goal to goal. But then from here, you can add any type of fruit. We are going to focus on berries. We're entering berry season. We're so close to berry season, but we're going to put some blueberries in it. So we're just going to sprinkle those right down the middle. And this is a great dessert for people who are really wanting to maybe cut their calories a little bit, watch their carbohydrate load, or just want a sweet treat at the end of the meal, and they just don't want something super heavy. So from here, much like our a burrito rolling, you can grab it at the end if you want. This would be one that could totally spill out, but we'll go here. You can fold it up.
It's like a cannoli.
It is kind of like a cannoli. And then we're just going to cut it in half. And this right here is probably a 50-calorie sweet treat.
50 calories.
So 30 calories for the wrap, very little for the berries and that additional
cheese. Had me at high protein and low carb.
I know, right? So this is a really great product. Again, this is a product called Egglife, and sweet and savory limes. So the few people that I have recommended it to, they are for sure buyers of it. So find it in our Hy-Vee Health Market.
All right, Katie, thank you.
Yes.
Head to Nebraska.tv for the recipe.